Hello, I'm Justine Murphy with Vision Systems Design's Focus on Vision. There are a lot of exciting things happening in machine vision and imaging. Let's take a look. Coral reefs are vital ecosystems for our oceans and their inhabitants. They can also be a gauge for overall aquatic environmental health, so monitoring them is crucial, although sometimes difficult. But new drone technology is making it easier. Researchers from Advanced Navigation, an Australian company that specializes in navigation and autonomous systems, have designed and built an autonomous underwater drone, the Hydrus AUV, to survey and study coral reefs. Working together with Australia-based environmental and oceanographic consulting firm O2 Marine, the team deployed the micro-hovering underwater technology off the coast of southwestern Australia in Hall Bank, a small near-shore coral reef. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors, the drones are programmed to navigate patterns and routes across different sections of a reef to collect video and image data. That data is then used to create 3D models via photogrammetric processing, allowing the team to identify environmental issues like coral bleaching and fragmentation. The team says ultimately, this drone technology will help them to develop action plans to mitigate such issues and in turn preserve coral reefs. In auto accidents, side impacts can produce more severe injuries than frontal collisions, particularly for children. While curtain airbag systems lessen those side impact injuries, they also present design challenges for auto engineers, including very destructive and very expensive crash testing. But now, there could be a solution. Researchers at Mexico's National Polytechnic Institute have developed a non-destructive experimental testbed prototype to evaluate curtain airbags for vehicles that could lay the groundwork for safer, flexible, and less expensive testing. The new prototype encompasses an adjustable mechanical structure that precisely replicates the side body configurations of various vehicle types. It's capable of withstanding deployment forces of up to 7,000 newtons, which equals over 1,500 pounds of force. A series of tests of the prototype involved recorded peak head acceleration to 136 g-force, essentially signifying a change in velocity of 136 times the force of gravity, with deployment times reaching 7.77 meters per second. The team says the data collected aligns with ranges from standard full-scale crash methods, supporting its experimental validity. The prototype demonstrates a high degree of repeatability as well, while drastically lowering costs and material waste. With advantages like requiring less light, perovskite is proving itself to be a strong alternative to silicon-based image sensor technology. Researchers from the Swiss organizations ETH Zurich, a university, and EMPA, a research institute, have developed a thin-film perovskite-based image sensor that features red, green, and blue pixels that are stacked, rather than the conventional side-by-side layout. The team says their design eliminates issues like blurred or distorted images that can be caused by demosaicing, an image processing algorithm used to essentially reconstruct a full-color image from incomplete color samples in an image sensor. In their work, the team compared their sensor's color reproduction accuracy and external quantum efficiency to several other sensors, including one that was silicon-based, with color filter array technology. Among their findings was that the perovskite sensors had an external quantum efficiency nearly 2 times higher than with conventional sensors. They're more sensitive to light, they provide more precise color reproduction, and can offer significantly higher resolution. The team is now working to further enhance their perovskite image sensors by reducing their size and increasing the number of pixels involved. That's it for this edition of Focus on Vision. Be sure to like and share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and visit vision-systems.com for the most up-to-date, interesting, and exciting news impacting the machine vision and imaging industry.